How to fix HDCP error on Prime Video. First, restart all devices. Turn off the TV or monitor, streaming device, either Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast, and computer if you're using one. Unplug them for 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnect and try Prime Video again. A simple restart often fixes temporary HDCP handshake problems. Step 2. Reconnect the HDMI cable. Disconnect the HDMI cable from both ends. Wait a few seconds, then plug it back in firmly. Loose HDMI connections are one of the most common causes of HDCP errors. Step 3. Try a different HDMI port. Move the HDMI cable to another HDMI input on your TV. So if you're using HDMI, try HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. Some of these ports can develop handshake issues while others work normally. Step 4. Replace the HDMI cable. Use a certified high-speed or ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Older or damaged cables may not properly support HDCP authentication. Step 5. Update the Prime Video app. Open your device's app store and update the Prime Video app to the latest version. Older versions can sometimes trigger playback or HDCP compatibility issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.